Thank you for choosing the Alpena Professional Window Film Installation Kit. To achieve a professional-looking tint job for your vehicle that you can enjoy for years, simply watch and follow the instructions in this video. All the important tools required to starting your window film installation have been included in your kit. For best results during the application and cleaning process, we recommend using Alpena Application Solution. To avoid contaminating the adhesive with dirt particles, we recommend a low lint cloth be used. A knife with breakaway blades is ideal for film trimming. Note, however, the blade should be replaced after each window tinted. The 3-in-1 squeegee and its soft rubber edge is perfect for cleaning the glass and squeegeeing the film. The hard edge is used for tucking film under gaskets, and the angled edge is perfect for hard-to-reach areas like sharp corners. Not included in your kit, but you may need, is a roll of Scotch tape and plastic scrub pad. Check with your local law enforcement before you begin to be sure you comply with your state or provincial tint laws. Tint your vehicle in a shaded, well-lit, dust-free environment. Only apply film when the temperature is between 40 and 98 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 to 36 degrees Celsius, for at least 3 days. Do not, under any circumstances, clean the glass with ammonia or household glass cleaners before applying film. Do not apply automotive film to residential thermal pane windows. The outside of the window will be used as a pattern for your film, so make sure it's very clean. Use solution and clean with scrubber, and use a low lint cloth or squeegee to dry the glass. Use 2 pieces of Scotch tape. Place 1 piece of tape on each side of the film corner, half of the tape on the film and half extending over the edge. Press on firmly. Now pull the 2 pieces of film in opposite directions. The film side will have tint and the liner will be clear. Then you need to wet the outside of the window and roll the film liner side facing out onto the glass. Trim away the excess. Position the film so that the straight bottom edge extends from 1/4 to 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter below the top of the inside gasket. Wet the outside of the film with the application solution. With the soft rubber edge of the squeegee, stroke the film in a gentle downward motion to temporarily hold it in place until it is trimmed. With a sharp blade, trim the vertical edges of the film first. When trimming, press knife gently at a low angle using only enough force to cut through the film. This ensures you will not damage the glass. And always tear excess film away from you. Before trimming the top edge, open the door and gently lift the film from the bottom of the glass. Now roll the window down about 2 inches or 5 centimeters. Now trim the film to the edge of the glass using the top of the window as your guide. Trim carefully along the mirror as well. Spray the inside of the window with the application solution. And use a plastic scrubby or low lint cloth to clean the window thoroughly. Remember, any dirt left behind will cause the film to bubble. Make sure the glass is very clean, and then use the rubber squeegee or lint-free cloth to dry it. Be sure to wipe down gaskets where dirt gets trapped. Wrap the hard edge of the squeegee with the low lint cloth and clean the gaskets thoroughly. Otherwise, trapped dirt may be pulled up under the film. Never use plain paper towels. It leaves behind lint and dirt. Use 2 pieces of transparent tape to remove the clear liner, which protects the adhesive. Place 1 piece of tape on each side of the film corner, half of the tape on the film, half extending over the corner edge. Press the 2 pieces of tape firmly together and then peel them apart to expose the adhesive. While removing the liner, spray the newly exposed adhesive thoroughly with the application solution. This reduces static electricity that can attract dirt. Generously spray the inside of the window with the application solution. Carefully lift the film from the outside of the glass. And place the wet adhesive against the inside wet glass. Position the film on the glass and fold up the bottom edge. That way the adhesive does not touch the door and pick up dirt. Slide the film into place, leaving about a 1/8 inch gap or 3 millimeters at the top of the window. Spray solution on the outside of the film. Press film firmly to the glass using the soft rubber edge of the squeegee. Start at the top and work your way down. Roll up the window. Remove all water from under the film with the low lint cloth. Respray the bottom glass with application solution and squeegee dry or dry with a lint-free cloth to ensure that the bottom of the glass is clean. Wet the bottom window again, then unfold the film down onto the glass. Slip the bottom of the film under the gasket. Pull back the gasket so that the film will slide easily behind it, using the hard angled edge of the squeegee. Run the film under the gasket completely using the squeegee and fingers. Be careful not to crease the film. Squeegee firmly in a downward motion until all of the water is pushed out from under the film. Do this only when the film is tucked under the gasket. Push any bubbles under the film to the nearest edge. To finish, wrap the low lint cloth around the hard edge of the squeegee and firmly press the water down to the nearest edge. The cloth will absorb any excess solution and keep it from creeping back up under the film. Wipe any excess solution that may be on any surface. You did it! You have just installed your window film. Passenger car rear windows are usually curved from both side to side and top to bottom. As a result, film cannot conform to these compound curves in one piece. We recommend cutting the film into 8-inch or 20-centimeter strips, ensuring that the cuts are straight. Apply 1 strip at a time from the top downward, or the same way you would side windows. Overlap the film 1/32 of an inch, or 1 millimeter. Continue until the entire back window is tinted. Do not roll down your windows for 3 days as the film cures. If you need any additional assistance or have any questions, please contact Alpena at 1-800-387-3217, extension 22, or 1-905-451-4611, extension 22. Thank you again for using our Alpena Professional Window Film Installation Kit.